To deposit cash into a Citibank ATM, start by inserting your Citibank debit card into the slot with the MV chip facing forward. Next, choose your preferred language or default to English. Then enter your 4-digit PIN. After a few seconds, the ATM will provide you with a range of options. Select Deposit from the menu. On the following screen, choose whether to deposit cash or a check. In this case, select Cash. You will then be prompted to choose the account where you want your deposit to go, such as a checking account. Once you've made your selection, you can insert your cash. The ATM can accept up to 100 bills at a time. The machine will then count your money and display the amount you've deposited. You can either accept the suggested amount or opt to take your money back. If you accept, you'll be given the option to add more bills or exit the transaction. After completing the deposit, you can choose to receive a printed receipt or have it sent to you via email. With your transaction complete, remove your debit card from the ATM, and the process is finished.